Hello, in this video we're gonna check if iPad 10th generation has a fingerprint sensor. And to do this, first let's open up the settings, and right here we want to look for any signs of a fingerprint. So maybe privacy and security, I don't think so. Touch ID and passcode, it should be right here. So we need to enter our password and now look for the and right here we need to look for add fingerprint, and that would mean this device has a fingerprint and it's located right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.